Hey, YouTube and people on my blog. Today we are at PETCO to see their budgies, cockatiels, and all that stuff. I know you subscribe to see this, so here we are.
How you doing? Good. Oh, we're not supposed to call me.
Okay, guys, the birds are just up here.
There's the birds.
Oh, there's hermit crabs. Those big weird things with the fancy shells. Okay, here are our birds. Oh yeah, people on my website. I'm also going to be getting a bird pretty soon, 2 months to 4 months. Then I can show you. This guy's laughing. This guy's a hairy Chewbacca. Hello, you are famous. And here are the cockatiels. I like them, but hey, are these lovebirds? Oh, I thought it was a lovebird. Look, this bird's ringing a bell. I wonder why they have hand sanitizer right on here. I wonder why. Oh, hey, little guy. They're so excited. I know you guys are wondering, which one am I going to get? Well, I don't know that yet. Hey, people on YouTube and on my website, find me, get us some good links that there's a cage about from here to up here, and about from here to here. And I'll give you a bonus. The faster we find out that, the sooner I'll get a bird. I will. Mom says we should buy one.
Ready to meet a new friend? Stop by and say hello to our companion animal of the month during our Meet the Critters weekend, September 3rd and 4th from 1 to 2 p.m. You'll get a chance to learn all about one of our favorite critters and see if they're right for your gift. Be it furry, scaly, or feathery, you're sure to fall in love. Remember, that's September 3rd and 4th. See you there.
Hermit crabs are really active right now. You gotta stand back. They get scared, so you gotta back up.
Oh, there's a big one.
Me and Benjamin are gonna go look at the fish catcher.
Okay.
We're not buying anything. I'm not buying anything.
But that guy needs to get his wings clipped. If you guys go to your local Petco, you can get your bird for $21.99. Oh, what's that guy's shooting on? That's called a kettlebone. They sell them somewhere around here somewhere. I don't know. If you guys like this channel, please subscribe for more awesome bird videos.
Hold on.
I thought you guys were looking at the fish.
He said he wanted to go there to get a drink. Come on, Bill.
Which one should I get? I like that one.
Alright, Bill.
Some of these need to get their wings clipped.
That one, that's right next to me.
Like the white feathers are the ones that need their wings clipped.
How come you count?
Because some of their wings are longer.
Pretty birdie. I like that one.
Which one?
Let's take a look at the cockatiels.
That one.
So here are the cockatiels. These guys are pretty big. They're bigger than... Oh, hi there, bro. Okay, let's see how much cockatiels cost. They cost
99 cents.
$99. We're definitely not getting a cockatiel. They cost $100.
How much are those things?
Those?
Also, my dad has birds.
$329.
How much does mine cost?
We're totally getting a budgie.
How come those things cost so much?
I don't know, but it would take a long time for Mom to give me one of those.
Patrick, there's no snakes. Patrick, how much is mine?
Oh, hey there. We also have these birds over here on this side. These birds are smaller.
Yeah.
You can get these finches for about $17.99.
Ben, look at these.
And up there we have yellow canary. They are $119. These guys are smaller, but more accurate. Over there, they have birds for about $17. I like budgies the best, though. Hey, birdie. Budgie. This is the bird we are totally getting in about 2 months. Just before I have to go and end this video, I'll show you some of the other critters. Here's turtles. I like turtles a lot. Are there any snakes over here? Yeah, we got some snakes. There's one right in there. Ooh, there we have a frog. That one's kind of cool. There's that turtle. Oh, and then there's some crickets in there. Oh yeah, there's actually a leopard gecko. So if you guys know where a bird cage is for less than $30, please contact us.
It's stuck for a living.
I have no idea what to put a bird in. So this video is about to be over. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a bird cage. 90. That's too much. Okay, well, bye guys. Please answer.